dumb Terry from Caravan Court. This is the van you inquired about, a 2015 Slipstream Eco Tourer. As you can see, the original price was $44,950. We reduced it to $41,990. You've got your fold-up A-frame, you've got your outside table, you've got your Fiamma awning. It does have an external shower. Also around here, it has a gas electric water service. Just at the back here, your gas bowls are located on into here. It does have twin tanks, where it was one tank is normally standard, this one has twin tanks. You have your large boot. As you can see, it has a shade mesh for the front wall and also an external gas bayonet with a point for a Weber or Barbie, whichever you wish to take. Inside, it has all the new colours. So if you were to buy a brand new one, these are the same colours are available. It has TV, DVD, brand new inner spring mattress, 90 litre three-way fridge. It does have air conditioning. It's got the Heron 2.2 air conditioning. It does have a solar panel and a solar controller. It also has your wine gun antenna and your fantastic hatch. All right, under here we have the battery system. So we have a 100 amp battery, AGM. As I said, the Truma hot water service is located under there, and you can access under the bed through this door here. TV, all the modern features. As I said, it's a really lovely van. It's hardly been used. As you can see that by the burners here, it's hardly been used. And the sink's located here. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you.